children who take up part-time jobs when they have a vacation.
Dimension of interest, area of uniqueness, and that's the target. That's what will make you shine.
How many of us would let our kids take that kind of leap of faith? We probably wouldn't, but I think they should. As a father, I say that.
Someone who's not just a mentor, but a true visionary in the world of career planning and education. Today we have with us the incredible Dr. Arti Gerard, a career mentor, college entry advisor, and a student startup enthusiast.
Outside of the classroom is also very, very important these days. And universities are consistently demanding this from students. They want to know how to develop that sustained attention and interest in a particular career path, and they want you to demonstrate how to challenge yourself inside and outside of the classroom to build that profile. So immersion serves two purposes. One, to get deeper into a particular career path that you are desirous of pursuing. Next, for you to evaluate in a manner whether it's going to be really useful.
You will not regret it. Thank you so much.